order to improve operator effectiveness, operators need fast, contextual, easy access to information regardless of where it comes from. Let's see how System 800XA can help operators follow the thought process to handle abnormal situations. So here we have System 800XA's operator workplace. And we have an alarm list at the top showing alarms, as well as an alarm band showing the highest priority unacknowledged alarms. To access the faceplate, the operator can just select the alarm line, or they can call up the alarm list. So in here, there's a few things they can do as well to narrow down their search. They have some runtime filters that can be used, such as some pre-configured ones here, such as pressure alarms. So now we can focus in on just certain alarms that we want to address. We can also access current values. So we can compare those to where the tag was when it went into alarm, to where it is now. So from here, we can call up the faceplate. And we can expand the faceplate to provide more information, such as a normal view and an extended view, showing things like trim curves, alarm and event information, and other items. In addition to just having tags in the system, we can have what's called composite objects. That's where we have a lot of tags that may make up a certain unit, all together in one object. For here, if we see the alarm that's in this object, we can right mouse click to get its aspect view and select alarm instructions. So this is a document that can help operators determine what course of action to take. In this case, it's having us actually find out the current production sequence step. So instead of having to go to some other screen or other view, here we can just do the pull down list, get the aspect view for this reactor, and then move down to the SFC viewer. It gives us our sequential function chart status. From here we can just double click and see what's holding us out from hitting the next step, and have some various views to help us determine what's holding us out. The next step that shows here is to look at the trend over time. So again, from here we don't have to navigate to anywhere else. We can just do the pull down list showing the aspect view and navigate to the trend display. So here we have the trend display we're looking at to review the reactor. Now, what if we wanted to look at another tag with this information and compare it? The operator can just merely anywhere on the graphic grab a point, drag it down into the trend, and now that data is also available. And then they can zero in to do some comparisons to these two values. Another feature is called operator notes. Operator notes are where different shifts or different personnel can maybe make notes for other operators that are coming on. So by selecting the operator note, we can actually see maybe if there's any problems in the last shift or the previous day that might help us in our decision making. System 800XA also has the capability to seamlessly access information that may be outside of the control system. So for instance, by getting up its aspect view, we can actually bring up things like maybe live video, we can call up maybe an instruction manual, or even to CMMS systems, maybe see active work orders. Improving operator effectiveness through integrated information. System 800XA, the power of integration.